Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there is a issue with YouTube. If you have these random moments where it says that the video is unavailable or it just doesn't load on either your mobile device or even on a PC, well, YouTube has acknowledged that there's some issues with video playback on some machines in some countries. So I'm making the video just to let you know that don't try anything. You don't have to mess with your settings or try to find why your system is like that. It is not you the problem, it is YouTube. And hopefully you will get this video even if there are some issues. But yeah, YouTube does mention that the playback is problematic on many devices right now. So it's been going on for a couple of hours now, and apparently it is being worked on. So hang in there, and don't play with your settings for nothing. It is not you, it is YouTube. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.